So the first thing is z is cosine theta plus I sine theta. So same thing. What is mod z? Mod z is equals to 1. Right? Because z is equals to r cosine theta plus I sine theta. Or equals to re theta. So if this is just this one, so it means the r is 1. The modulus of r is 1. That is the first thing. The modulus of z is 1. This complex number here. Prove that cosine cot theta over 2. So it's very similar to this theta over 2 here. So like I say, go to the question bank, search for the concept which is manipulating theta over 2. Okay, so that's the first one. In the mini revision set, we have also done quite a significant of it already lah. So just take note. So from left hand side, 1 plus z over 1 minus z. What's the easiest way to do? Don't use trigo ratio to solve it. You will take a long while. So you know that if z is equals to cosine theta plus I sine theta, this is just a Euler's identity. So it's ei theta. Okay, so that's the first thing. So manipulate it using exponential form. Okay, that is the exponential form. Manipulating it should be quite okay. Now there are a few ways. Some students like to multiply. Okay, I'll just show the 2 ways lah. So whichever method you prefer, you just stick to it. Some students like to what I like to multiply lah. Okay, so I like to multiply top with e minus theta over 2. My whole goal here is so that the power becomes half. So this is method 1. You understand why method 1? Method 2 is that you just change it, factorize it out. So one is 0, so it's e0i, right? Okay, e to the power 0 ma. So this one here you can change it to e theta over 2 minus theta over 2 because it's 0. So ei theta over 2 plus theta over 2. Actually, they are the same thing lah. So ei same thing, huh? Yeah. So method 2 is you factorize. Method 1 is multiply. I tend to use the method 1 more because it's easier. You can see why it's easier. One is just let this be 0 because this is e0, 1 here. Okay, so you just do whatever you think you prefer. So I prefer the first one. So this is e minus I theta over 2. E okay, like that. Method 2 will then be factorize it out. Go. This part here. If you can skip step by all means, for method 2, you can actually skip step also. Go on factorizing. So both will give you the same thing. Cancel this out. You still get the same expression there. So you both arrive at the same thing. So cosine So many things to write. Then then I can just cancel this one. Then I could also cancel the bottom one. What is left is 2 cosine theta over 2. Multiply bottom with I, multiply top with I. You get is it? Okay, so manipulating theta over 2, very common.